Hello everyone, this is a quick demonstration of how to use Edbot. This is a beta version of Edbot 5.1.2. With that, you can interface the PLAY700 system or the CM-50 with Python. I'm using Thonny here. I'm using Pygame for the graphical and keyboard interface. So let's see. You see, I can increase the speed. It's in the follower mode now by default, so let's see. So it's fairly responsive. Increase the speed a little bit. So fairly responsive. And let's switch to avoider mode. Avoider mode again. So we'll go from this side.